MCQ of the Little Match Girl chapter. In this semester, these MCQs are very important. It may come in the exam. So let us begin. The first question is, who is the author of this story? Option A, Hans Christian Andersen, Robert Browning. Option B, option C, Jack London. Option D, Maya Angelou. So the correct option is option A, Hans Christian Andersen. Question number 2. Whose slipper was the girl wearing? Option A, her mother's. Option B, her brother's. Option C, her grandmother's. Option D, her father's. So the right answer is she was wearing her mother's slipper. Option B. What time of the year was the story set in? Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, Diwali, or Holi? So the answer is, it is New Year's Eve. The scratch sound, the first match is an example of a simile, metaphor, auditory imagery. Option D, irony. So the scratching sound is an auditory imagery, an image that describes sound, an image that describes sound. In which country was the story set in? The story is set in Denmark. The description of the place that we find in the story is of Denmark. There is option USA, Brazil, Canada, but the answer is Denmark, option B. What did the girl sell? Vegetable and fruits, clothes, matches, and perfume. So the girl was selling matches. What color did the girl's feet become? Red and blue, pale, yellow and purple, orange. So the answer is red and blue. Red and blue became the color of her feet. How many matches did the girl sell? 1 dozen, 20, 0, 26. So the girl actually sold 0 matches. She could not sell any one of them. What smell was around the air when the girl was walking? The smell of a roast goose, a pig, a beef, or a chicken. So the smell was of goose, roast goose. Why are the rags and straw stuffed in the gap of the girl's house at home? In the house of the girl, the roof was stuffed with rag and straw. Why? As a decoration, to stop the rain, to stop the wind, to stop sunlight. It is to stop the wind. What is the first vision of the little match girl? Her mother, a dog, an iron stove, or a tree. So the option is option C. The option is option C. The first vision of the girl was an iron stove. What does the falling star represent? A soul going to heaven, an upcoming cyclone, the light on the Christmas tree, which she did see in her vision, or a good news. So the falling star, according to the story, represent her soul going to heaven. Option A. Who was the one person who loved her but was no more with her? Her mother, her father, her boy, her grandmother. So the answer is, the person who was not with her was her grandmother. Option D. When was the story published? 2011, 1800, 1845, 1865. So the story, if you can see in the net, was published in 1845. 1845 was when the story was published. What is the color of the girl's hair? Brown, blonde, black, and pink. So according to the story, the color of the hair of the girl was a brown color. So option A. What was the second vision of the girl when she lit the match? An iron stove, a Christmas tree, a delicious meal on the table, her grandmother. So it will be a delicious delicious meal on the table? Option C. What was the third vision that the girl saw when she lit the match? A beautiful Christmas tree, her kind and loving mother, an iron stove, a boy selling slipper. So the right answer is, what was the third vision? The third vision was a Christmas tree, a beautiful Christmas tree. What was the fourth vision that the girl saw? An iron stove, her loving grandmother, a Christmas tree, a delicious meal. The answer is, the fourth vision was her loving grandmother. Option B. Why was the girl trying to sell the match in order to earn money? Why was the girl selling the matches? Number one, to buy a Christmas gift, to buy her slippers, as she was ordered by her father to do so, to buy new clothes. So the right answer is option C. She was ordered to do so by her father. How did the girl die? The girl died out of grief, due to storm, due to cold and hunger, none of the above. So the right answer is the girl died because of cold and hunger. Option C. Who said, "Take me with you"? And to whom? The grandmother said this to little girl. The girl said this to her father. The girl said this to the mother. The little girl said this to her grandmother, granny. So the answer is option D. The little girl said this to her grandmother. Why did the girl light the match? To remove darkness, to feel warm, to see the surrounding, none of the above. So the right answer is the girl did light the match because she wanted to feel the warmth. Why a boy had run off with one slipper of the girl? To irritate the girl, to play with that, to cradle someday when he had a children of his own, and to sell one slipper. So the right answer is the boy ran away with the slipper to cradle someday when he had children of his own. What is the iron stove described? How is the iron stove described? How is the iron stove described? How? How is the iron stove described? Let us make it how. How is iron stove described? Red color with brass. Next option B, with brass knobs and ornament. Beautiful cooking design. Beautiful with brass. So the right answer is the iron stove is described in the book as brass knobs and ornament. Christmas tree much larger and lovelier than the doors of, this is the line from the book, the Christmas tree which she could see in her vision was better than her friend's house, her house door, rich merchant house, or her friend's house, say for example. So the right answer is that this Christmas tree was much better than her rich merchant's house. Because this little girl in her house, there was no Christmas tree. Friend's house is not mentioned here. So the only option is rich merchant's house. Who said, "Now someone is dying"? The little girl, her father, her grandmother, her mother. So this line that someone is dying is said by the little girl. So the right option is option A. Why did the little girl quickly struck all the matches she had in her pocket? Why did she light all of it? Why did the little girl light all the rest of the matches? Why did the little girl struck or light all the matches? Why did she light all the matches? To brighten the day, to finish all the matches, to keep a grandmother with her, none of the above. So the right answer is to keep a grandmother with her. What kind of stories normally this author Hans Christian Andersen known for? He is actually known for option A, happy stories, option B, fairy tales, option C, reality check, option D, motivational stories. So he is known actually for fairy tales. What is the main idea of the story? What is the main theme of the story? The girl never gave up hope. The girl was selling one. The little girl was walking in the winter, none of that. So the main idea is this girl never gave up hope. The vision seen by the little girl in the story reveals four things which she needed the most. The little girl needed four things. One, food, shelter, clothes, and mother. Goose, roasted goose, new slipper, candy, and warm cup of tea. Coat, food, shoes, a gift. Warmth, food, love, freedom from fear. So the right option is the little girl may not need goose. So the goose option is wrong. The little girl may not need a gift. And the little girl had there's no mention in the story about freedom from fear. So the right answer is the little girl needed food, shelter, clothes, and a mother, a woman, feminine person to love. What did the vision represent to the little girl each time she lights a match? It represents the member of her family every time, or it represents the joy of a new year, or it represents a vision of hope and dreams? None of them. So according to me, the vision represents her hopes and dreams, the things that she wanted in her life. What is the theme of the story? What is the main crux of the story? The fear of the little girl. The little girl should take care of her family. The little girl never gave up hope. None of that. So according to me, the theme of the story is the girl never gave up hope. The theme of the story is the girl never gave up hope. So I have prepared these 32 questions from the story, The Little Match Girl. If you have liked it, please do share with your friends who might need this video before a semester. And also, if you do get benefit out of it, please like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.